Topic 3 of Chapter 1 is designing a customer-driven marketing strategy. Now, this is the third step of principles of marketing. So, before going into detail in a different chapter, let's have an overlook of what exactly does this mean. So, this process of marketing strategy is handled by a process or a term called marketing management. So, you're doing marketing, but you need to manage your whole marketing process. Now, marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets. That's a keyword which you need to understand, and building profitable relationships with them. Who are them? These are the customers which we are talking about here. So the target markets actually mean that you need to find out what customers will we serve as an organization. Do we need to go and do we need to serve customers from, for example, rich countries, from first world countries, or do we need to sell our product into third world countries or second world countries? We need to decide and we need to focus on that, and that is called marketing management. That is called setting the target markets. How can we best serve these customers? So once you have selected the type of customers, then you decide that how are we going to serve these customers. So that you do this so that you can develop relationships or profitable relationships with those type of customers. And moving forward, we've got two concepts. Target marketing is here again. It refers to which segments to go after. Now, it talks about segments here. What are the segments? Marketing or market segmentation refers to dividing the markets into segments of customers. Now, what exactly does this mean? It actually means, for example, you've got a market. In that market, you have different ways to segment that market. For example, you segment the market based on age. We need to focus on customers or consumers who are from age between 30 to 35. They have to be married, they have to have at least one kid, and our product is going to be focused on that particular segment of population. Now, target marketing refers to which segments to go after. So you've got a segment of different types, and out of those segments, you select one segment to go ahead and to sell your product to, because you feel that particular segment is going to be more profitable as compared to the other segments. So, for example, if I'm selling baby milk or a dry milk, and I'm a manufacturer of a dry milk for newborn, which particular target market will I go and will I sell my dry milk to? Is it going to be female? Is it going to be male? What is going to be their age? Where are they located? How sensitive they are to the pricing of the product? All of these things come under target marketing. And once you target a market, you go ahead and you sell your product to that particular market because you feel that they will give you a more profitable relationship as compared to the other segment which you have selected before. Now, the value proposition is the set of benefits or values a company promises to deliver to customers to satisfy their need. Now, we have discussed this in the previous topic also. So you propose a value to the customer that if you buy our product, you are going to be satisfied because you've got this need, and once you buy your product, we promise you that this need is going to be addressed, and once this need is going to be addressed, you will be satisfied, and that is called value proposition, which a company proposes to a customer. So I have a question before I finish off this particular topic. The art and science of selecting target markets and developing profitable relationships with those markets is called what? Marketing profile, maybe. Marketing maneuvers, marketing selection, this looks good, or marketing management. What do you think is the right answer of this particular question? In my view, the answer is marketing management, because it is a process that tells you about how to target the market and how to better satisfy the target market and build long and sustaining relationships.